Assalamu alaikum and beautiful morning everyone. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you are all doing well. We are in new block 13. Are video games a good form of entertainment? It is written by Mary Silva Turner. It's a persuasive essay. As I've told you what is persuasive in the previous class, you might be knowing this. Our topic for today's class is building vocabulary. Our aim for today's class is to find the meaning of the words and connect them with familiar synonyms. Agenda includes activity, discussion, and then we will write. I'll give you to write, you have to write. Resources required for today's class are content book page number 74 and notebook, and one more is your importantly pencil. Keywords of our today's class are entertainment, number 2 prefer, number 3 convince, number 4 research, number 5 vision. Let's discuss this meaning in your activity. Let's move towards our activity of today's class. So children, open page number 74 in your content and check your lesson number 1. Under that, question 1, before we start doing our activity, follow the steps to understand the meaning of new words in the essay. Fine. What you have to do in the first step is use a dictionary to look up the meaning of the words in column 1. In step 2, use the meanings to match each word with its synonym in column 2. And then in step 3, write a sentence using the word in column 3. Okay, what you have to do is here in the first column, you have to use a dictionary to look up the meaning for the word from first column. Fine, there is a word given in the first column, you have to look that meaning in the dictionary. Then in the second column, there they have given synonym. So you have to match that synonym with that word, okay, which suits the meaning of that word. Next, in the third sentence, what you have to do is you have to make a sentence of that using the word. Fine. So let's start our activity. Children, the words are given here like entertainment, prefer, convince, research, vision. And the synonyms given in the one more column, persuade, study, like, slight, fun. So let's start. Check, the word is given, first word is given, entertainment. What do you mean by entertainment? What do you understand in the text that entertainment means? Entertainment is nothing but fun. So match that with fun, everyone. Okay, having fun. Next is your prefer. What do you mean by prefer? Prefer is nothing but like. So match that with like. Okay. And then is your convince. Convince, which you have learnt in your keywords. Convince means persuade. Fine. Persuade here. Okay. Convince means persuade. Fine. Convince means that you're making it sure. Fine. Next is your research. Research is, in short, synonymous study. Fine. And then at last is your vision. Vision is nothing but sight. You have heard about this, I guess. Here there is a mistake. I have written slight. So children, make it as sight. Fine. Let's move towards making sentences with these words. Fine. Entertainment. Let's do the sentence of entertainment. Children, as title of the story, you can see, you can write that sentence as your sentence for this. Okay. So, are video games a good form of entertainment? You can write that here. Fine. In the sentence column, write this. Are video games a good form of entertainment? It would be easier for you to read this, so that's why I have given the same which is given in your which is given as your title of the text, your persuasive essay. Fine. Let's go for your next word. Your next word is prefer. If you have answer for this, you can send a voice note, else I'm gonna give answer for this. Prefer, I prefer hockey to basketball. You can even say I prefer milk to tea. Okay, you can say prefer means I like drinking, like that. Okay, next is here, I will give for prefer here, I prefer milk to your tea. I prefer milk to tea. I prefer sweet to sour. You can say like that. Okay, or else you can write I prefer hockey to basketball. Any sentence you can make through this. It's easy. Let's go for C. Our C is here convince. Convince means you are making it sure. Fine. So here we can say she convinced, my friend convinced me to go to the picnic. My friend, anyone you can say Noha, or you can say any boy named Abdullah. Fine. My friend Abdullah convinced me to go to the picnic. So let's start writing. My friend Noha. This is it. Let's go for our next word, that is your research. Research is nothing but study. Okay, we can say like any one girl name using like Nuha or Sania researched on pest. Mehreen researched on leaf. You can say anything. Fine. Mehreen did a research on pest. Okay, we'll write that. Or else you can write any boy name from your class. Like Ari did research on pest. Next word is vision. We'll do that now. Vision, for that you can say in your science classes you have learned, I guess. It's easy for you to learn. Okay, so eagles have sharp vision. Eagles have sharp vision. That you can write easily. So I can say that vision is nothing but sight. Okay, eyesight. Eagles have sharp vision. This is it about your sentences. Question number 2 from your lesson 1 is your homework. Today's homework. Do it and submit that to on my number. Let's summarize our today's class. I'll ask you a question. I want you to answer me for this. Do the words in column 1 and 2 mean exactly the same? I tell words that mean exactly or nearly the same are called synonyms. Okay, these words are just nearly or exactly same, so that's why we call it as what, children? Synonym. Fine. Okay, so examples are given like entertainment, fun, prefer, like, convince, persuade, research, study, vision, sight. Okay, these are all words are nearly the same. Okay, exactly and or nearly the same. So we call it as what? Synonym. These words are called as what? Synonym. Okay. I guess you all have understood the concept. Have a good day. Jazakumullah khaira. And also when you are doing homework, what you have to do is read the sentence in which the word appears, like the words multitask, consequence, concentrate, addicted, depressed. Okay, you have to read that and then use a dictionary. Use a dictionary to find the meaning of those words, and then think of a synonym you already know, and at last what you have to do is use the new word in your own sentence. What you have to do, you also have to make sentences of those words even. Fine, like multitask, consequence, concentrate, addicted, depressed. Thank you. Have a good day. Do your homework and submit that to me on my number. Jazakumullah khaira.